Now, this looks easy, obviously, with a short little tube that you can hold and handle. But an 18 to 20 foot spinnaker pole that's 3.5 inches or 4 inches diameter, it's going to be kind of unwieldy on a boat that's rocking around the sea. So you really want to take your time setting up this system so that it's going to go up and stay up. Okay. So let's see how.
So with these little knots over here, they're like the cage and come along I was talking about earlier, and so you can be able to add tension. You know, being able to do that might be a big advantage.
Pull up.
Close.
That should also have a come along pitch in it, because if you miss a little bit, even though these hopefully are tighter, and the rig's right back a little further than you'd like, adjust it more now.
Sorry, Tom.
All right. Better side stress a little too loose, as you can see. They can be adjusted.
And this right here is the same knot I tied there. Instead of looking like a sheep shank, I've actually taken this bitter end, made it longer, went all the way around, and so it looks like a bowline. And then there's a little extra purchase there. You want to go ahead and create some purchase on that one for one of you guys? Pull down. There you go. That's in theory almost a 3-to-1 purchase on that. And then if I made that longer and it was a longer piece of line, you could add another purchase to this to where it would end up being 9-to-1. Get you one along here. 9-to-1. But you know, there's a variety of knots that you can taut. I'm not sure how much time we want to spend explaining things to you, because in the pure essence of a jury rig, you're on your own. So here's another kind of you know, real simple come along hitch, where it's a slip knot, where the top part is the jam knot, and that's a 3-to-1. With general concept.
Right. So hopefully you remember to hang these blocks and then you halyards on there so you can get up some kind of canvas. Good to go. Anybody have any questions on this?
What were you putting a halyard for your sail, or how are you putting the sail on?
Halyard could be hung on one of these. You could even double up on one of these bowlines on the icicle knot, or you could do a whole separate icicle knot and have two bowlines hanging there. You could have a forward and an aft halyard.
Okay. Here's the icicle knot. So I want to pull down, so I start my wraps on the top, going around 3 times. Making a loop here. This bitter end goes through the loop that way, and this other one follows basically the same path of that knot. So they're all coming around the same way, you see that? That's it.
Tie a bowline on the end of each one. Right. Give yourself a loop. So
simple as that.
So this is kind of a practical hands-on class. So we've got a couple rigs set up down there. We've got this one here that we can knock down and you guys floor out with.